A simple math problem. Problem y power minus 1 over 3 is equal to 8. Now solve the value of y in this problem. Solution. At first, y power minus 1 over 3, we know 1 over y power 1 over 3. Here the formula a power minus n is equal to 1 over a power n. So y power minus 1 over 3, here 1 over y power 1 over 3 is equal to here 8. Now y power minus 1 over 3 is equal to here 1 over 8. Now here root q y is equal to 1 over 8. Then y is equal to 1 over 8 power 3. So y is equal to 1 over 512. Now second method. Here y power minus 1 over 3 is equal to 8. Now y power minus 1 over 3, here we multiply in power minus 3, so 8 power minus 3. Now y power minus 1 over 3 same time minus 3 is equal to 8, here 8 power minus 3. So here 3 cancel, then y is equal to 8 power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 8 power 3. So y is equal to 1 over 512. Now y is equal to 1 over 512.